Katie, make your dog don't jump on her.
Wow, okay, that was pretty chaotic. There was no control whatsoever in the way those dogs greeted me. That might look pretty familiar to a lot of you. I'm gonna tell you why it's not okay to let your dogs greet you this way. Let's think about it. When a dog is greeting us like that, could you imagine the amount of adrenaline that's released whenever all of that excitement is happening? That adrenaline rush becomes addicting. Their response to something that creates excitement in them, rush of adrenaline every single time. You do not want that. Your dog doesn't learn how to control the levels of excitement. Other things that you're probably struggling with: leash reactivity, restlessness in the house, can't calm down, can't focus, reactive to noises, barking at windows all the time. This is how you should be teaching your dog how to greet you. The dogs are put on place whenever someone knocks on the door, and the owners decide to keep them on place or allow them to greet the guests, and you prevent that massive rush of adrenaline that is no good for your dogs.